Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today we have a Godess acrylic nail haul. It's the first time I'm ordering from this brand, and I'm gonna show you what I got. So very cute packaging, love the sticker. So let's open it up and see what we have. Okay, so I got some mystery colors and I bought a few extra acrylics. So first we have this cute little card. Okay, how adorable. I was surprised when I saw that. A little thank you message and a code for my next purchase. Thank you so much. That was like, you didn't have to do that, but you did. I really appreciate it, and I'll definitely be ordering more in some bigger jars. So of course this is a test run just to see if I like it. So I got 7 acrylics plus the mystery acrylics. All of these are glitters, and they were kind enough to send over some samples and some little goodies that's in that bag right there. Okay, so these are the colors. And let's see what I got for the mystery color. Perfect. Okay, so in this bag, the jars that the glitters came in, it spilled a bit. I'll show you in a sec. Even though it was sealed with that little sticker, like somehow these jars, they always leak for some reason. So they did the best they could. They sealed it and everything, but these jars they're just gonna leak the product that you put in them. Okay, so I opened them, and the first thing that you can see, the jars are filled to the top. The glitter acrylic, like I wanted to mix them, as you can see here, but it's spilling all over the place because of how full it is. Listen, I don't mind that, so I left it like that, and I just went in and swatched them. So I'm gonna use this card, and we're starting with this beautiful glitter. It makes me almost want to do like a pink sunset vibe type nail. And then this is an absolutely beautiful glitter. This one, I'm gonna be using that a lot. Yeah. So I would definitely give all these glitters a 10 out of 10. The packaging, cute packaging, everything is secured. Like, I have no complaints. The jars are filled, the pigment is there. Like, look at that. And this isn't just like clear acrylic with glitter. Like, it seems as if there's a black pigment in there with the glitter. Like, come on. My only complaint is for this specific glitter. It has some big chunks of what's that paper called? I don't know what that paper is called. As you can see it there, I don't know what it's called, but it's not like you can tell that I'm having problems like putting it down on the paper. It's the same thing for when I did the nail set. The papers were just, I don't know if it's too big or what it was, but I was having trouble laying the acrylic with them in there. So that's my only thing. Everything else, absolute perfection. Perfect. This red, love it. So these are everything that I got. So these are them dried and in low light. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm obsessed with them. So let me actually show you what I'm gonna use for this set. And I'm gonna be using the Dynamics Clear just to test it out, see if it's actually, you know, clear. So these are the colors that I'm using so that you can get an idea. So I'm just gonna do like maybe 2 nails of this because I'm gonna be doing all of my nails like this, so I just cut that out. I'll show you the encapsulation process, and yeah, I'm gonna design them as well. So this is me applying the acrylic. I wet the nail tip first with a little bit of monomer, just in case when I put down the first bead of acrylic, like some part of it is still dry, then the monomer on the tip of the nail can actually wet it and make it more workable on the nail. So maybe I needed to like stir up this acrylic so the papers would, like, I don't know, like I wish the paper things that are in the acrylic would come out some more. Like maybe it's like they're under the acrylic and not on top of it. So yeah, maybe I just need to stir it up. The other 2 acrylics, I just blend them right into that first acrylic, as you can see that I'm doing here. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing for all 5 knit fingers. So yeah. Okay, so it's time to encapsulate. I usually wet the nail first and go in with my clear acrylic. So when I'm doing this, if the nail is thick already, you just go in with a thin layer of clear. You don't need a really thick layer because you're gonna file it away anyways to get it, like, to thin it down. So just go in with a clear layer. However, if your glitter acrylic isn't that thick, then go in with a thick layer of clear to build your structure. And so far with this brush, I do think it's my favorite actually. I haven't had any shedding. The only shedding I've had was when I was trying to clean the brush out, and the tool that I was using, it was the other end of the cuticle pusher, and I think that broke up some of the hairs that were on it, so that's definitely my fault. But so far, so good. So this was definitely a trust the process moment. I was gonna take these nails off and delete the footage that I had, but my original idea, which I still went with it, was to do this galaxy looking set, but without the stars and stuff like that. I would put bubbles instead. So that's what I did, and I think it turned out pretty okay. I'll show you how to create those bubbles. When I did it on the first nail, I was like, no, this is not gonna work. But I'm like, okay, let me just try it on the rest of the nail, and then I can say, like, give my final opinion on if it looks good or not. Okay, so I'm doing the bubbles. I didn't put any base coat down or anything. I just went in and I started to draw some circles with that brush. Of course, they're not perfect circles because it's freehanded. I did try to go in with the cover of the nail brush, because it has a circle on it. So I dipped it in the white gel polish and tried to put it on my nail, but that failed. Okay, so I just freehanded it, didn't think about it too hard, and cured it. And now what I'm doing is I took some white gel and mixed it in with some base gel just to shear it out, and now I'm going over the circles just to give it like a soapy effect. And then once I'm finished with all the circles, I'm going to cure it again, go in with my white streaks inside of the bubbles to make them actually look like a bubble, and then I'm going over with a thin layer of white and tracing over the circles. And that's it for the bubble tutorial. You can watch the rest, but this is it for the video. I'm gonna top coat everything. You're gonna see how beautiful these glitters look once it's top coated. And yeah, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. And if you're not subscribed already, please do. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.